What's up, everybody? I'm Michael DiTullo, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Blazer X. Before we jump into it, a little history on the Nike Blazer. The model dates back all the way to 1973. As most of you know, Nike originated as a running company, but basketball came pretty soon after, and the Blazer was a great attempt to get into that market with a classic Lucher toe construction that came right after things like the Pro Leather and the Stan Smith. And the Blazer has been a key part of Nike's product line almost pretty much ever since. And there's of course been versions by Stussy and Supreme and countless color ups. But this version is a little bit different. It comes from an internal collaboration known as Project X, where they try to bring some new technologies into classic styles. So the key feature of this shoe is that it's actually bringing injection molded EVA cushioning to kind of an everyday lifestyle shoe. All right, let's jump into it. All right, first things first, before we get into these, the outer package. Something a little bit different here. My first package from Nike with this new shipping package. You can see it's that they're offsetting the carbon emissions for the shipment. There's a little QR code you can scan here to get more information about that. Really cool. Another cool detail in this packaging, no tape. All right, so let's jump into these Nike Blazer Project X's. So Project X is something I only recently learned about at Nike that's going to be combining some Nike tech with some older styles, which is pretty cool. So Blazer, it's been around for a long time, decades and decades now. And so it's really nice when brands bring a little bit of innovation to these classic styles because the technology has changed so much that these styles could be made so much more comfortable, right? They're still very rockable, they're still very wearable, but just doing a few little touches can make them a little bit nicer to wear all day. So kind of some cool little laser detailing going on in the heel here. 1973, which is pretty cool. It looks pretty much just like a nice blazer on the outside. One of the only different subtle details is this perforated swoosh, but pretty subtle. Not a lot of like Project X branding or anything like that, which I really love. But where you could see the Project X-ness is right here. So the original Blazer just had a straight herringbone outsole, but this you can see is actually some injection foam here poking through. The original Blazers, I think I'm not sure if they were vulcanized or cupsole construction. Both very durable constructions, very old constructions, but a little bit stiff, a little bit hard. So by adding this foam, injection foam midsole, and I don't think I'll be able to see it on the inside. I can't really get the sock liner out to see it. I think you'll just see a Strobel in there anyway. Yeah, just a Strobel, a non-woven Strobel. You can see just a little punch hole down to that foam. So you're not gonna see this new technology anywhere. And I thought it was a really nice touch that they did a cutaway in the herringbone outsole so you could at least just see what you're getting. And so what they've added to this shoe is a foam midsole that goes 3/4 of the way through the tooling here, which hopefully is gonna make these really nice for a dude like me to rock. I'm not in my 20s anymore, I'm in my 40s, and I want my shoes to be comfortable. Thanks for watching. That was the Nike Blazer X. If you liked this video, give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you have any suggestions for things you'd like to see in the future, let me know down in the comments. Maybe I missed something about the Blazer and you want to let me know. I'll try to do another one of these soon. Until next time, catch you later.